Hello aspirants, welcome to IFS. So myself Himanshu, and today Tamil Nadu SET 2024 exam schedule has been released. Basically, the commission has said that which subject exam is going to conduct on which date. The exam dates are released. Okay, this is the public notice, as you can see, but which was released on 24th of May from Manonium Sundarnar University, which is the host nominated for this particular examination conduction. So this is the notice, and the examination name is obviously TNSET 2024, conduction bodies Sundarnar University, and the date is 3 June to 25th June. Okay, now it is revised. Now it is revised to 7 to 8 June. Okay, now it has been revised. I will tell you in upcoming slides that what are the exact dates. So exam pattern would be paper 1 50 questions and 100 marks. Paper 2 will contain 100 questions and 200 marks. The total tally would be 300 and the total duration would be 3 hours. There will be no negative marking. So this is the exam pattern which is going to be. And how to download the TNSET admit card. Although the admit card is not out yet. The hall ticket, as we say, it is not out yet. But whenever it will be out, I will inform you at this channel. So do subscribe the channel for latest updates. And whenever the admit card is out, you can visit the official website of TNSET, which is msutnset.com, and there you will get that hall ticket link. All right. So the schedule for this particular examination of various subjects are on the 7th June, as you can see. Mathematical science, computer science, physical education, philosophy, women studies, performing art, Urdu, anthropology, Telugu, and Malayalam. So these subjects will conduct in the shift 1, 9 AM to 12. Means the both paper and paper 2, there is no any gap. The Tamil Nadu set is following the same pattern which the UGC NET follows. Okay, in the second shift of the same date, English, commerce, geography, very important, electronic science, Hindi and music. The shift 2 timing would be 2 PM to 5 PM. Okay, and the remaining subjects, as you can see, all are on the 8th June. Okay, life science, physical science, chemical science, law and archaeology will conduct in shift 1, 9 AM to 12 noon, and the remaining Tamil, management, history, economics, education, psychology, mass communication, library, home science, social work, political science, as you can see here, labor related, earth science, pub ed, defense, visual arts, sociology, environmental science, tourism, criminology, Arabic and Sanskrit. These exams will conduct on 8th of June in second shift from 2 PM to 5 PM. So this is how the exam is going to be conducted. So students, if you want to be the next SET topper, you can join the IFAS, where you can get the free prime classes, recorded classes, previous year question papers, teachers handout, paper analysis, exam syllabus, exam pattern and exam cutoff. So these all are available free of cost at IFS application or IFS website. So you can be the next topper with UGC, the ifsonline.com, where you will get the recorded course, test series and live paper 1 batch. So exam is going to be conducted just after a week now. So I would recommend you to take the IFS test series, where you will get the unit wise mock test along with full mock length test for your examination purpose, which can be helpful in your last days of preparations. All right. So students, that's all for today. I will see you in the next one. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can tell me in the comment box. I will try to definitely answer that. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.